Dropshipping has become an important trend, as there are many platforms like eBay, Amazon and others. Hit the red bell icon and subscribe to Knowledge Builder. Hello viewers. My name is Saad. Today's topic of the video is how eBay dropshipping works. eBay is the preferred marketplace for online sellers, and for good reason. With 159 million active buyers, making 1.7 billion monthly visits to the site each month. Dropshipping on eBay allows business owners to tap into that ready-made customer base and sell products even if they don't have physical inventory to sell. The complete steps to eBay dropshipping. What is eBay dropshipping? What to dropship on eBay? Things to know before dropshipping on eBay. How to dropship on eBay. Tips for success with eBay dropshipping. 1. What is eBay dropshipping? eBay dropshipping is the fulfillment model used by entrepreneurs who purchase items from a dropshipping vendor, mark up the price, and resell it through eBay. It's a popular way to start a business with no money, since dropshipping has a low barrier to entry. There's no need for you to physically touch the items you're selling or to store inventory in your own warehouse. Order details pass straight through to your dropshipping supplier, and it's their job to pick, pack, and ship the order to your eBay customer. Dropshipping allows us to carry a lot of brands and products we otherwise wouldn't be able to carry, as either we don't have the space in our warehouse or we don't have the funds to buy all of the stock. 2. What to dropship on eBay. eBay's online marketplace sells almost anything you can think of. When finding a product to dropship, consider items in the most popular categories: disposable face masks, cell phones, men's fragrances, video games, headphones. 3 things to know before dropshipping on eBay. eBay's marketplace only allows dropshippers to source products from a genuine trade-only or wholesale supplier, not another retailer. Violating these rules could result in account suspension. If you use dropshipping, you're still responsible for the safe delivery of the item within the time frame you stated in your listing and for the buyer's overall satisfaction with their purchase. eBay dropshipping policy. You'll also need to pay eBay fees when dropshipping through the marketplace, including insertion fees. Get 200 free listings per month. After that, it's 35 cents per listing. Final value fees. If an item is sold, eBay takes 12.9% of the sale price up to $7,500 plus 30 cents per order. This can vary depending on the product category. Store fees. $4.95 month for 250 free listings. Plans for dropshippers with more than 1,000 monthly listings start at $21.95 month. How to dropship on eBay. 1. Create an eBay seller account. You'll need a seller account to start selling through your own eBay store. Head to the registration page and enter basic information about your dropshipping business. Next, subscribe to the eBay store option that best suits your needs and link your checking account to get paid for sales you make. Finally, choose an eBay store name and connect the new storefront to Shopify using the eBay app. You'll be able to see inventory levels all in one place, manage business policies, and communicate with buyers all through one dashboard. 2. Find profitable products. Next, do product research to discover which items will sell best on eBay. Head to eBay's bestsellers page and investigate whether you can source similar products at a lower than RRP through dropshipping sites like Alibaba or AliExpress. The best dropshipping products are hobbyist or business products. Items people purchase repeatedly. Popular products often bought through eBay. You'll also want to choose products that are easy to ship and have a low return rate. Products that are small and lightweight are generally the easiest to ship, and products with a low return rate are less likely to cause issues with your customers. 3. Vet your dropshipping suppliers. Once you've found a product to dropship on eBay, look for a supplier that can provide you with the item at a lower than retail price. Dropshipping websites exist to connect eBay store owners with wholesalers such as Sears, Spocket, Doba. The supplier you choose is arguably one of the most important factors when dropshipping on eBay. The marketplace requires brands to deliver items within 30 days of a customer's order being placed. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. 4. Price your product. eBay dropshipping can be a lucrative business model, but only if you're leaving enough room between the product's purchase and resale price. For example, it'll be hard to make substantial revenue if each item has just a $1 profit margin. To determine the price of your dropshipping products, consider product costs, competitor pricing, other business expenses such as eBay listing fees and shipping costs. How much profit you want to make. Pricing is more of an art than an exact science. Start collecting data and monitoring what comparable products are selling for through the platform. Tweak your product pricing until you find a profitable middle ground between competitive prices and a customer's willingness to spend. 5. Create your eBay listing. Create a listing for each of the items you're dropshipping on eBay. Pay particularly close attention to the following areas, including keywords that your target customer is searching for. It'll influence how likely the algorithm is to show your product listing to potential buyers. Product title. Product descriptions. High-quality images. Customer reviews. Returns policies. Check whether your dropshipping supplier will handle these. 6. Forward order information to suppliers. The responsibility of picking, packing, and shipping items sold on eBay is with your supplier. Use dropshipping software like Saad or Saad to automate this communication. Both apps automatically feed order details through to your supplier, show its stage in the order fulfillment process, and relay shipping tracking numbers to customers. Tips for success with eBay dropshipping. eBay dropshipping isn't an overly complicated process. However, there are some things that will set your new business up for success when using this fulfillment model on the marketplace. Use an inventory management system. Shopify dropshipping apps like Saad merge inventory data from all sales channels including your online store and eBay storefront so you can view sales and customer information in one place. Prioritize customer support. eBay customers likely won't know that you're working with dropshipping suppliers. If a supplier fails to meet guaranteed delivery times or ships products different from what a customer ordered, take full responsibility. Respond to support requests in a timely manner to increase customer satisfaction. Build strong relationships with suppliers. According to John Frigo, it's important to have a relationship and communication with your seller, so if a product is discontinued, out of stock, or the price changes, you can be informed of that so you're not selling items you can't fulfill and later have to cancel. Invest in promoted listings. Depending on profit margins, you can attract more customers through eBay promoted listings. These in-marketplace advertisements boost the chances of target customers seeing your dropship products. Add a multi-buy offer. Increase average order value using multi-buy offers, such as one product for $5 or 3 for $12. This can increase the profitability of your dropshipping business since there's no need to pay shipping or import fees.